Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to modify the master slide within Google Slides. To start, navigate to the slide menu and select Edit Theme. Next, go to the top and click on the main master slide labeled Theme. As you can see, this selection controls all the slides in your deck. Now you can begin editing. For example, if you want to adjust the text, you can change the fill color to red, which automatically updates every slide. You can also easily switch the border color to green or change the font style to impact. Feel free to increase the font size to make it larger or adjust the text color. You can even apply bold, italic, or underline formatting. Explore these options to customize your presentation exactly how you like. That is how you update the master slide. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please consider liking and subscribing. I will see you in the next video.